What is up, guys? eHero70 back with a new video. This is episode 1 of my modding tutorial, and this is going to be how to create a simple block. Now, just to start off, you want to open Eclipse, and I will be using a different modding folder because the other one I was using for the setting up tutorial was just a tutorial one, and this is my one I used to mod. But yeah, you just want to open Eclipse, and if you haven't set your workbench to your Eclipse folder in your MCP. So what you want to do, you want to download the template in the description, which will be this, and I'm just doing it to make it a lot easier. Now, to make a block, you want to go to File, New, and File. Now, you want to call this one mod underscore and whatever you want your block to be. Let's say I'll just make mine, what should I make it? I guess I'll just make it copper, and then .java. So you always have to have .java, and when you start off, it'll probably just be like this. You want to go to client, and then source, and then down to net, and then down to Minecraft. Then you want to click source again, and yeah, then you just hit done, and you want to copy the template. And now this is gonna be it's gonna be like this. You're gonna have some errors because this is not the name. So what you want to do is change everything with mod underscore to copper or whatever your file name is, and it will become like that. And then just do that for now. And first we're gonna make our other folder, new file, because you need 2 to make a block for 1.2.5. If I could actually get into here. There you go. File, and this you want to call block, and then what you want your block name to be. So you want to have it the same. So copper.java. You don't need the mod underscore. Yeah. So you want this template will also be in the description. You just want to copy the template and paste it. So now this is where you want to change everything. You want to change block to copper, and then since you changed that, this has to be changed too. And this is where you could go to material dot. You could have it all these materials. You could set it to whatever. So let's just make ours stone. Where's stone? How about actually we'll do rock. So then you want to change where this says to copper, and this is gonna be mod underscore copper because that's what this file is. And then this should just be changed to that. Actually, that will be changed later, so we'll just set that. Whoops. I'll do that. Okay, now you want to go back to here, and this is you want to change everything that says super diamonds to copper, like I am doing. So it's right, because this is what for my other block. You could use this one. It's just a block I made. We'll go over all this soon. We're just setting up right now. I'll show you what this is later. Some of you should know if you have modding experience, but I don't think you'll be watching this if you know how to. So, copper. And then this right here is your in-game name. This is what it's going to show up when you scroll over it. So you want to change that to whatever. If you have like super diamonds, you just space. So it's 2 words. So copper. And this is the recipe. This is what you'll use to make it. I'll go over that soon. And then that, you just want to save that real quick. And it will have an error because we have black copper here. I'll fix that in a minute. And then this should be. Yep, there you go. So that's copper. And then this right here, black copper. That I will fix that in a minute. But this is what you wanna edit right here. I'm pretty sure this is the idea. The set block name, this is the name of your block. This isn't the in-game name. If you have one more, it doesn't really matter. Set hardness, this is how hard it is to mine, so I'll just set that to 2. And you always want to have an F after it. Set resistance, I'll change that to 2. And then set light value, you don't need this if you don't want your thing to glow, so we'll just take that out. 1 is glowstone, 1F is glowstone for set light value. Don't put anything too crazy because then your game will crash and it won't work. So right here, this is where your texture is gonna be. Now we'll make a texture soon, but first let's set our recipe. So what you want to do is you could just delete this, delete all that, and you want a double quotation, and you could put any symbol in here. So we'll do X. Let's just make ours out of, let's say, a whole thing of dirt blocks in the crafting table. So then you put comma, you space, 2 more, XXX, this is your second row of your crafting table. And then you put 2 more, XXX, that's your third row. And then you want to put a comma. Now, you want to type in character dot value of, and then this is, you want to change this to X because this is what you used. It will set it to X is block dot, and then you could change it to any block you want. So let's just go with dirt right now because that's the easiest to get. So basically, if you don't get that, that means that this, every time there's an X, it's going to be a block of dirt. So that just means dirt. And then if you have another symbol, like say if we change this to that, you want to go to character value of, and then you'll have that there, and then you click another block. But since we only have 1 block in this, we just could delete this one here, and that should do it. And just save that real quick. Now, I'll go back to that in a minute and see what's wrong with that. But here, let's see, new block, copper. Is that fixed? Oh, well, I'll fix that in a minute. But now, what you want to do, we're gonna create our texture. So let me go to where I have GIMP because that's what I use. I find it my favorite. So it's in my program files. That's where I saved it. GIMP 2.0. And so you just wait for it to open. And then you wanna right when it's done opening, I'll show you what you have to do. Let me full screen it. You wanna go to File, New, and you have to change this to 16 by 16 because that's the size of the blocks. And you want to click Advanced Options, and you want to change this to Transparency. And then there you go. Now you just zoom in, Shift plus, and just to make it simple, I'll just set a random texture right now. We'll just make it like really dark, like a black block. And then just go to my bucket fill tool and do that. And then File, Save. Now this, we'll save this to our desktop for now. You want to save it to copper or whatever your block name is .png, and you just go to desktop, and then we'll just save it to our desktop and hit save, and then you could X that out, I could X that. Now you'll see we'll have our image right here, and if we go to properties, then it will see PNG image. So now you want to go to this. I like to do it this way because it's really organized. I advise doing this way better. You want to go to temp, bin in Minecraft, and create a new folder called mods, like that. But I already have one, so we're just gonna delete it. My mods folder is down here, and you wanna drag your file, whatever your image is, into here, and then you could go minimize that, and now go back into Eclipse, and you want to keep this terrain.png, because that's what it has to be, because it's overriding that. And you want to change this to your file name, your path. So I did it. You want to go slash, and then I put it in a mods folder, and slash again, and then you want to type in what it's called. So mine's called terrain copper.png. Then you just save it real quick, and I'll be back in 1 second, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I figured it out. It was just a stupid mistake. I needed to save this because it didn't save this change. So that's that, and I forgot to mention this. You gotta change this. These are the IDs. If you open black.java, you'll see we have this whole line of code. Like here, this is what we have, set block name and stuff. Right, we have that right here. So then, yeah, you just need to change. You need to change the IDs to 2 IDs that are not taken. Like like it says right here. This is using 121 and 175. You want to change it to a set of IDs that is not taken, and then you can X out of that, and you just save both your files. And now, what you want to do is, you know how we made this terrain.png mods copper PNG file? Well, not file, but you want to go back into your mods. You see how we made this? You want to go back, and now you want to open your FCP file again in a separate window. You want to go to your jars in your Minecraft folder. Now you want to see I have a mods. I have my mods folder in here. Let me go back and just delete that. You want to drag your mods folder you made that holds your images in here into your Minecraft folder. So then you see we have both those in there. Then you can X those 2 out. And now what you want to do is to test. You just go to recompile. You don't want to go to reobfuscate yet. That's when you're all done with everything, but I'm not, because, oh wow, whoops, I opened that a little too many times. Okay, you see we have an error. Let me see here. File, runtime, recompile. Let me see. Let me try that again. There. It was just because I think I opened it too many times because it was already running. So there, it should have no errors. It's this cannot find server sources because I never really set up the server thing, because it's not important unless you're running servers. See this. So once you have recompiled, you want to go down to your start client, wherever mine is, right here, start client. And you just want to wait for it to open Minecraft for you. I'm on full screen. You want to create a new world. I'm just going to set mine. I'll set mine to survival anyways. Just hit create new world. Wait for that to finish, and then we'll test to see if it worked. Hopefully it doesn't lag out. Get all glitchy on me. There we go. So let me just go to out of this now. Well, actually it doesn't matter. So we need, if you see here, we need a crafting table first. So I'm just gonna cut to where I have my crafting table and everything, and I'll be back when we have all the materials. So okay, so I'm back. I made my crafting table from the tree here, and if you did it right, it should work. So let's just try to cross my fingers here, because it worked before with my other one. Takes forever for me. I'll put blacks in here because I'm using my laptop. Oh, yep, there we go. So copper. It's just our black image we made. So we'll just place it here, and yeah, there's our black. The image, you can change the image if you want. Like, you don't have to make it black. You can't really see it, how long it takes to break. But we'll just wait for it to break, and we should get the block back. I really should. Oh, Nope, I think I know why. So let's go back to Eclipse, and let's go to your block.copper. You should mod copper block ID int ID dropped quantity dropped. Yeah, I should have got it back, but it should work for you. I think it's just a problem my Minecraft's having. I don't know. Yeah. So it worked. If you have an error, comment in the comment section below, and I think my next tutorial will be how to make an item. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, what's up, guys?